Okay, great. Just give me a second. Okay, so this is the Pinterest account, and similarly, we are having the photo sharing sites, which are like Flickr.com and Pinterest. These are the examples of the photo sharing sites. And the video sharing sites, we are having the popular site, which is the YouTube.com. Like, I would suggest you everyone, you should all create your YouTube accounts if you are like so much creative and you like the creativity, then you can create your YouTube accounts wherein you can like share anything in the YouTube channel, right? uh, 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 रिसेंटली आप देख रहे होंगे यूट्यूब में लोगों ने इतने अकाउंट्स बना रखे हैं. सपोज जैसे संता बनता है, संता बनता है, व्हाट इज डूइंग संता बनता, संता बनता इज जस्ट शेयरिंग देयर funny quotes, funny messages, and you can see in the YouTube channel they are having a lot of subscribers, right? I'll show you one of the YouTube example. mm, I took the name of Santa Banta, right? See what they are doing, they are making the funny videos. I'm going to their channel. This is how you can go. This is the channel name basically, Santa Banta. This is the cover image like Facebook used, and similarly here you can see the number of subscribers. Means they have just got the idea like we should create the Santa Banta because जब हम छोटे थे तो हमें संता बनता के बड़े मैसेजेस आते थे, एड्स आते थे, है ना, जोक्स आते थे हमारे पास में. तो किसी ने आइडिया इतना डेवलप किया कि उसने अपना एक डिजिटल ऑनलाइन यूट्यूब चैनल बना दिया, राइट? अब उसने जो डिजिटल ऑनलाइन चैनल बनाया, वहां से उसको ऐसे ही फ्री में, मींस उसकी जो पोस्टिंग हो रही है किसी यूट्यूब में, वीडियो बना दिया, कुछ ही बना दिया, और उसके बाद में दे आर हैविंग 58,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स. मींस इतनी ऑडियंस इनके पास में है जो कि इनके वीडियोस को देख रही है, राइट? एंड सिमिलरली आई विल शो द व्यूज ऑफ इन एवरी वीडियो. लाइक 1 month ago they have like लाइट की दिक्कत दिक्कत, they have taken the very funny topics and very recent topics, right? So लाइट की दिक्कत से उन्होंने एक वीडियो क्रिएट कर दी जहां पर उनके पास में 14,914 व्यूज हैं, right? So such kind of the, this is views. You cannot have the views for the particular channel. चैनल के आप सब्सक्राइबर्स ही होंगे एंड वीडियोस के व्यूज होंगे. गॉट इट? Yes, Gunjan is very well said. Like credit goes to the Geo subscribers. Definitely. Recently, I think Geo is now paid. Geo gives us the advantage for the 3 to 4 months for the free. So a different question here, how to create the animation video. So definitely I'm going to answer of your question because whether it is the out of this session, but uh, log in from this tool. I'm just write down in the chat window. You all of you can create your account. And there is one more tool, GoAnimate.com. You need to check the URL of GoAnimate, whether it is GoAnimate or GoAnimator.com, right? So these are the free tools wherein you can select the type of the video, what kind of the video you are going to create. Means animated video, you want to upload your created PPT, and you want to video like storyboard kind of the video, so you can do such kind of the works from this tool. So Sumit, you got your answer. The only thing which you will get here is like you will get the logo in that, the Portoon logo and the Go Animate logo. But in these videos, you are seeing there is no logo, right? The reason why you are not seeing the any company logo in this, any tool logo in this, because they purchased the animated videos, animated tools, right? They have like paid some certain amount of tools, like in monthly basis, you have to pay around dollar 80 rupees in Go Animate, because I have already used these tools, Portoon and Go Animate. Go Animate is one of the best tool because these are having the much features in this, much characters in this, much props you can find out into the Go Animate. So whenever you will have the free time, I would suggest everyone, whenever you will have the free time, just create your YouTube account, right? And the idea which Santa Banta is taken, like they have very creative idea is like they have created the Santa Banta and they are just creating a very funny videos and they are getting the number of subscribers. You know, recently आपने देखा होगा नेहा कक्कड़ जो है सिंगर, उसकी बहन सोनू कक्कड़, कितने लोग जानते हैं सोनू कक्कड़ के बारे में? She just started with the just remix, जो पुराने सॉन्ग्स हैं उनको जस्ट वो रिमिक्स कर रही है एंड शी इज डूइंग नथिंग अपने ही घर में एक सेट लगा के वो सारे पुराने गानों को अपलोड करती जा रही है. And if you will see the subscribers and views in her video, you will notice like how much she is getting popular. So I'm just giving the example of this singer. Like लोग सिर्फ बिना कुछ पे किए कितनी अर्निंग दे कैन डू, राइट? आप यूट्यूब पर जो भी उसका चैनल देखेगा, छोटे छोटे शोज में पहले उसको बुला सकते हैं, हायर कर सकते हैं, राइट? फिर सिमिलरली कुछ टाइम के बाद में वो बड़े शोज में भी जाने लग जाएगी. So similarly, all of you having this advantage to become so much popular, and you can also be a famous and something, you know. So this is just for the creativity thing I have just mentioned. So now I'm going to the next slide, which is the coupon websites. There are too many coupons. Like I have given the example of the Portoon and Go Animate, right? Whenever you are going to purchase these tools, before purchasing, you can also go for the coupons website. You can search in Google any Go Animate coupons, free coupons. Then you will get some code in that, and from that code you can avail the 30, 20, 10% discount, right? This discount is not only for these kind of the website. If you are going to, like, if you love the traveling, right? Whenever you are going to book any flight, so some sites giving you such codes, right? Such codes, then you can put their code and you can avail the discount. In traveling sites is doing so much in this. Make my trip and yatra.com, and too many sites are doing the same thing. So this is so I will name such sites as a coupon websites. Okay. Now the auction websites, there are some sites which are doing the auction, means they are selling something. So I have just tell the name, auction websites. Knowledge and wiki websites. So everybody is very much familiar from the Wikipedia, encyclopedia. So these are the knowledge based website. Like if there is any brand, and if somebody wants to know the history from beginning to the end, right? So they can go to the knowledge based site. Okay. So these are said by the wiki websites. So these all are the variations of the website so far. So now you need to decide what kind of the websites you are going to optimize in your in your coming sessions. So all the types of the websites is done so far. Now I want to let you know the good website designs and the bad website designs. What are the features you should include in the website and what are the features you should not include in the website, and how Google restrict the bad websites, and what are Google guidelines, what are the Google guidelines for the good websites, what you should not use in the. So I'm going to show you the practical way example of any good site. This is one of example of the Sarotrans. Sarotrans.com is a traveling site. Right? It is a logistic and company, and they are providing their shipping services in Nigeria location, throughout the like global. They are providing their services globally, but this company is based on Nigeria. Means if you want to like shipping services, then you can hire this company, right? Mainly this company is getting so much business, and see the structure of this site. Here they have just mentioned their value proposition. What we do means in the tagline they have clearly mentioned what they do, right? And how many of their satisfied clients, how many projects they, how many businesses they have, in which countries they are, right? And in which how many continents they are in, there are 5 continents and they are present in every 5 continents, right? This is in the very front fold, in the very first fold. This is the first fold, guys. This is the first fold. You are seeing in the whenever you will type any URL, if the website is open, that is called as a first fold. And as per the Google, every concept should come you should make your website so that content should be visible in the first fold of the website, because this is the Google guideline. You maybe you can see such websites, when you will open the URL, you will see only the image, a very big image that will fit completely in your first fold. You will not able to see the content while opening any websites. So ये एक अच्छी प्रैक्टिस नहीं है, राइट? ये एक अच्छी प्रैक्टिस नहीं है कि आपका फर्स्ट फोल्ड में आपका कंटेंट विजिबल नहीं हो रहा है. सो in the very first fold you should like make sure yourself that you should mention the content in that. So यहाँ पर menus very well आपको visible हैं, मीन्स इतने अच्छे से हाईलाइट किए हुए हैं कि होम है, अबाउट है, सर्विसेज है. इफ यू विल होवर टू द सर्विसेज you will see the different kind of the services they have, what the career opportunity they have, free course, FAQ, and the blog section, which I have already discussed with you that every website should have the blog section and clear call to actions, right? These are called as a call to actions because they have taken the phone number in the very top corner, in the top of the website, right top of the website, right? And this is the URL, this is the logo of the website, very clear logo, and social badges they have included. So this is also a good technique. If you are going to present your website, it doesn't mean that you are having the only SEO in that, means you are not going to promote that website socially, because the benefit you can gain from the social, this is incredible, right? I have already shown you the example of the YouTube and other different sites communities. So similarly every website is have their social accounts, and so as per their business. If the website is B2B, then LinkedIn is the best platform, right? If the website is B2C, then Facebook is the best platform. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, because Instagram is also a very emerging platform. So you should have the presence of Instagram as well, right? So this is done like call to action. You should have the better call to action. You should have the social media icons in that, and after that you should have the clear banner in that and the value proposition, right? Because it is very necessary, because in the first attempt user is going to understand what you are selling, right? Why I am here, because somebody typed in Google global logistic and ship company in Nigeria. I'm going to type this. I'm going well. Mm, see, there are some paid results. Above two results are paid. Everybody is understood with this. If you are seeing AD, means this is paid results. And after that, you are seeing some global logistic company. I just want to see if this Serotrans is ranking or not, right? I'm seeing it is not available because I have like taken the long tail word still. Okay. So this website is not coming. Maybe this website is having their presence with different keyword which I am searching. So I can check the backend of this website. Everybody, if this website is here and you want to see the backend of the any website, you need to put the control U command. I am writing in the chat section. You need to control plus U. Uh, the backend of any website. In the backend, what you can see, the title tag, keywords, descriptions, headings, and coding. These all are the things you can see from the if you will do the control U. You can apply right now. If you have opened any website, you can like go, you can put the control U. So this keyword is they are using and I was searching from the different keyword. So now I am putting the same keyword. Now I am finding the Serotrans. Yes. Everybody can see now this website is opening. So this is how I will search for the keyword and those keyword will redirect it to the website for the users. Everybody can listen my voice. Please write the yes. Okay, okay. Don't sleep in the session. I request you with everyone. Uh, every time respond me. If you have any queries, you can ask me at the same time so that I can clear your doubts. I do not want that this session uh, go very boring because I just want to excite you and how digital marketing can help you boost your career. So everything, if going so technical, that's not an issue, but you should know the tips of the technicality, right? So later on, if you will do the practice, then you will definitely learn these things. So it's not that much tough. Digital marketing is very much easy. You everybody can learn very well, right? So this command you can note down the control U, and from this command you can see the back end of the website, and this is called the front end. This is called the front end of the website, and after the control U, you can see the back end of the website, wherein you can see the web and everything, right? Also done. So what I was discussing the good website designs. So we have discussed the front fold of the website, the first fold of the website, and after that, what should come? What should come? This is the heading tag. This is the heading tag. No, what to do with the backend? The backend, I just put the backend just to check the title tag, what titles they are using. I'm again doing this control U, and now you can put the control F, and in control F you can put the title. Here you can see the title. So I was just checking with the website what kind of keywords they are using, because aware from the keywords. The keywords which they have mentioned in the website, from those keywords the website was not coming on top. And I to show how you can from the keyword search the website ranking into the Google. You should aware from this. So that's why I use the backend. You don't need to do anything with the backend right now. Got it, Sumit? Okay, good, good. So these are the headings. These are the headings, and after that, website mentioned their internal services. Whatever the services they have, see the custom clearance, transportation, warehousing. So all these prime services they have mentioned here. Similarly, you can also make your website in such way so that user can easily understand what services you are going to provide, right? And the about us, and after that they have mentioned their about us, means uh, the overall history of their website, right? And they are giving you the reason why you need to choose us, because these are the authentic factors. These are the should include, so that this can increase the weight on your website, because you should provide the reasons to the users, like why they only choose your services, why they only hire you, right? So what kind of the USP are using in your website, so you should mention in why chooses. So they have used their USPs in that. And in the testimonial section, what their client said about their services, whatever the services they have provided so far. So whatever the clients basically said for this website, so in the form of the testimonials they have mentioned their services, right? Now they have also mentioned their clients, for which clients, because the factors, the testimonial and the client factors, and why you need to choose, these are the factors just increasing the weight on the website. And every website should have these factors. These are basically to increase authenticity in your website. Okay, after that, this is the footer section. So footer section is also in such way that user can, whatever user want to navigate to the home section, right? Or any blog section or the services section. So it should not like user should not scroll from down to up. He or she can easily click on these links if she wants to see the blog section, if he or she wants to see FAQ section. So we should internal link the other landing pages in such way so that if you come outside, then not give the single reason to leave our website without performing or taking the action on our site. Got it? And action could be anything. Action could be anything is like you just want users, they should fill the contact us form. You want the email IDs, and the action, one action could be they should call you. They should call you on your numbers, because local websites are like the calls on their numbers. Right? They do not want that user fill the contact form. But this website this website wants the leads. So this website is asking the user's detail in terms of the email ID, phone number. So such kind of the things this website wants. So every website is having the different objective. This website objective is to fill the contact us form, right? So you should ask from the what are the objective of sites, what are could be the different objectives of their different sites. So I have shown you the good website structure. This is not the single website. There are too many sites you can open. You can, and you can see a famous site, Forbes.com. And I'm opening the search engine land. I'm closing these links. Okay. So here are some of the examples of this is international site, the Forbes. Basically, if you need to like any research, any updates, they are very frequently updated. So you can see the structure of this website, like how they have created the structure. Very this is the basically the ad. This is the ad. These ads from the Google end, right? AdSense means they are running the AdSense to making the money, right? And the Forbes, see the website, very clear menu, right? Social icons, how they have integrated social icons, the search bar, because this website is very huge in terms of the information. So you can write down I want to know the social media marketing. See, I have put the search bar, the social media marketing, then definitely it will come up with the solution. See, here we have the articles, blogs, and they update their data 7 days ago. Means like they are very regular to update their data. They frequently add their data, right? Here we are seeing the banner ads. These are called the banner ads. In the first session, I have like told you what are the banner ads. So Google AdWords gives a facility to run your ads in different websites, right? So for is running the websites and this can be done from Google AdWords, and there are tools through which you can run the banner ads, right? So Forbes is a very good very huge site. So maybe they are having their internal process to run the to give some space to running the ads, right? So similarly, I'm just showing the examples of the good site, right? You can see how they have mentioned, because they are into the newses updates thing. So they have mentioned in such way. And if you want to check the traffic of this website, I'm just giving you the one tool, similarweb.com. Everybody can open this tool. Not now, but later on, everybody can go through with this tool, SimilarWeb. If I need to check how well is this website, then you can go to the SimilarWeb and you can put the URL in this, right? Forbes.com, and here you can see the every updates, how well this website. Also put hypestate.com, after.com. I didn't get your what do you want to ask to me? Where you want? This is hype after.com. No, I didn't get you. I'm just copying this URL and opening it. Maybe if no, it's not working. It's not working, right? So I was telling. It shows website information. Okay, you can yeah. There are too many sites in the Google. Kunjan, you can check everything with the tools, because I'm just giving the example of the SimilarWeb. This is one of the tool. Is the free tool basically. If you will purchase this tool, and this tool will give you the lot of information, of huge information, right? What you are seeing here, see what is the country rank, what is the global data. Here is the 6 number visits, right? Total visits, their visits in millions, right? You can understand what kind of the traffic they are generating in Forbes. Average visit duration, pages per visit, bounce rate, they are having a very less bounce rate, means people are coming and staying for a long, means they are not going anywhere, means they are spending some time. They are getting 52.75% traffic. Similarly, here are the top five countries from where traffics, right? From India also getting the less traffic, but from India we are all Forbes to get the information. So similarly here see there are the digital components, right? Like from which components they are getting the most traffic. Search is the platform wherein they are evolved so much and they are getting so much traffic from the search. 64% is from the traffic they are getting from search engine. Google search, Google, Yahoo, Bing, and this is the traffic, social traffic, and from the email traffic and display traffic, such kind of the traffics they are getting. So this is just for your understanding, means this is a very good tool, because as per my experience, what I noticed, like if I need to check the traffic of any website, any existing and any popular websites, what kind of traffic they are getting, what kind of keywords they are working, so I can definitely check with the this tool. And in the SEO session, I will give you the a bunch of the tools, the free tools from which you can check the very specific information. But this is, as of now, this is fine for you. So let's see another slide. So example of the good sites and the good website designs. I've already shown you types of the sites in this. Now I am proceeding. Okay. So, what are the bad websites? What Google for the website, right? So, first is like you are using your content is not visible. You have used too many links site, and any information, any content is not relevant in your site, right? And you haven't used any call to actions in your site, right? And every image is very blur or irrelevant images you have used, and you have used too many videos in the website, right? So that's why you have used the flash in your website, and the speed of your website is not that much good, just due to you have included the flashes in your site, right? So these all are the things which contributes to make your website bad, right? And these bad website, Google gives the like Google will not like these websites, and these website later on is spammed by the Google. Got it? So you can see in the examples, like if you are using too many ads in your website, there are so many sites which used too many ads. Rather they are showing the less content, rather they are showing the content, they are using the too many ads in that, right? Same information they are repeating again and again, means the same thing they have spoken in the one landing page, and in the another landing page they have mentioned the similar information, means there is no differentiation. They have taken the same information, that's why user are not liking their website so much, right? So this could be one of the reason. And another thing is like you have used too many internal linkings. Here you can see in the blue. See, Alok asked me how can we reduce the number of ads from our website. Alok, firstly, your website, if you are having the account, if you are having the AdSense account, then you can if your website is that much popular, if your website is that much popular like Forbes, so Forbes is giving a little bit space to the banner ads. Like if, but you can also notice in the Forbes they are not giving the full space to everyone for only ads purpose. You can see this is the only section they are covering. This is a very less section in the top of the website they are showing the ads, but in the complete sites you cannot see the frequent ads. That's why this website is considering as a good. So it is completely depend upon you. If you do not want to spam your site, if you want, like Google will not spam your site, it means you should not provide the too much space for the for any kind of the ads. Means there is a limit, uh, basically in the first fold of the website we should not show the ads. In the footer section we can display the ads of any sites, in the display in the right hand side, in the left hand side, but in the first fold we should avoid the ads, right? But this is the fourth site, so and it is like giving the very less space, which is fine for this. But there are some sites which are using the too much space. I will give you the example of the Hotfrog is the popular site. I am taking the example of dig.com. Hotfrog is very much popular business listing site. Somebody asked me what is the business directory. So Hotfrog is one of the business directory wherein you can add your business information. And Hotfrog not only working for the it is for the different locations. If you want your business information submit to the Australia location, UK location, USA locations, and this could be the good website to list your business. So this is a business directory website. I'm just showing the example of this website is also not using the, because it is popular websites, though they haven't used the ads in that. But you will see in many directory sites, Hmm, I'm closing these links, so that's why my internet could be so much faster. Okay, there are here are the too many business directory sites. If you will go to these directories, they are just for making money. They don't care, like after 1 year 2 year the Google will spam or penalize their website, so they are okay with that. But they are getting they are giving too much space for the affiliates who are putting their ads into that. They are using too many AdSenses in that just to making money. But there is a Google guideline. If you are using too many ads in your website, Google will spam your website. So this could be the reason of these are the examples of the bad website designs. Got it? And I have discussed one word. What are the call to actions? What are the call to actions? In better website we should have call to actions, right? So similarly, if you have taken for this, what are the call to action? Contact us. Like you have taken this read more, you have highlighted this, right? You have put this request code. This is a call to action, right? Similarly, here you have taken the phone number. This is a call to action. And in one website, in one landing page, in every landing page you can include 3 to 4 call to action uh, as per the landing page size, right? If your landing page is too much big, then you can include more call to actions. But if your landing page is small, that is not too long, then you should not include the more call to actions in that. Got it? So let's proceed with the website slides. The bad website design is done. Now you are very much aware from what are the bad website designs and what are the good website designs, and you can easily differentiate with that. Now I am proceeding. Uh, yes, here is a small activity. So far I have discussed everything with you. So now I need tell me the 5 things which you should include include in the good website? Everyone, please write down. And I request everyone, please write down the 5 topics at once, not one by one, so that I can speak the name of everyone. Yeah, please. Yes, Alok, Gunjan, please let me know what are the good website designs. What are the features you need to include in the good website design? 5 things you have noticed which are good to make your website better: layout, content, speed, images. Okay, great. Gunjan, good. Alok said clear call tag, call to action. Okay, socially promoted, sponsor, banner, testimonial. Okay, great, great. You can also add the clientele. And the 5 thing, content is the one of the most important part. Means the quality content, and then your design, then the proper call to action, then the proper navigation, then the proper internal linking. This should be done with your website. Yes, Sumit said SD graphics, easy of navigation throughout, less ads, speed, call to action, blog. Good, good. Sumit said attention. So everybody is already aware from what kind of the things we need to include in our website. Everybody mentioned. So I am again speaking. Content is one of the most important part. Content is the king for the digital marketing. Whether you are doing the SEO, SMO, PPC, anything, right? Content play a very vital role in your optimization process. So first thing, your content should be optimized, should be quality content, thematic content. There should have the relevancy in your content, right? And after that, you should have the better layout, right? Gunjan said the layout. The layout is the thing which attract users, which attract customers to take the action, to stay in your website, so that we can avoid, we can like decrease the bounce rate. If these things would be good, it is comes into the architecture. Means what is your website architecture, what is the layout, right? The second thing, in the content part, the images, graphics, headings, everything will included in the content part. And the second is the layout. And the third thing is the speed matters for your website, right? If your website, I told you, like if you have used too many flashes, means too many videos, too many links, means your website will take time while loading, right? So generally, ideal load time should be 1 to 3 seconds only. User have so less patience. If any customer will come to your site, if your site is not loading within 3 to 4 seconds, means he or she will left your website without navigating any single page. So speed matters, and there are too many factors we can improve the website speed. So we can avoid the images, we can avoid the internet too much AdSense links in that. And there are some technical factors as well, which we will discuss in the SEO section, right? And one more thing, speed is done, layout is done, content is done. Now the call to action. Call to action is like, I have told you, like if your somebody is asked, Nikhil is asked how to check online content is optimized. Nikhil, it is very good question. And this question I will answer this question in SEO session, right? You would able to like just check your content whether it is optimized or not, right? So I will give you the answer later on, because this session is going to be technical. So here we are going to understand the website things, how we can choose the domain and all. And after that, you guys will be like create your blogger account, one page blog account, so that this session will be going for this agenda, and we will answer your question later on, right? So yes, I was talking about the speed factors. And the last factor is like um, okay, the authentic thing, definitely banners, testimonials, and testimonials, clientele. This should be also included in your website. Easy navigation, right? So these all are the factors which makes your site healthy, good, optimized. So you should like make a list, like you can copy this list whenever you are going to purchase your purchase the domain and you are going to build your website with the help of the developer, or you are creating your websites, then you can like write down these tips, and you can apply these tips while creation of your website. So this small session is done. Guys, I'm taking the 5 minutes break right now. You all are okay with this? 5 to 10 minutes break I'm taking. So, okay, so we'll be back at 7:30. 7 minutes break we are going to take. We'll be back at 7:30. Please note down. Everybody should be here at 7:30 only. Do not miss. Okay. Thank you, all of you. Yes, I'm back. Everyone is here. We can start the session. The break is over now. Everybody, please confirm me if you are back from the break. Okay, Gunjan is here. Great. Okay. Nikhil, yes. Okay, fine. We are starting this session. Okay. So, here are the some best practices. Best practices means to whom you are going to target. We have already understood this thing very well, like to whom we are going to target, what we want to inform and sell, right? And where are customers residing, right? And why should the visitor buy our product or service? This thing I have told you in the website. You should mention the USP of your site, means why should user purchase only your product, not the other website product. So this is the best practice. You should include all these features to your website. So whenever any user will redirected to your site, then he or she can take the appropriate your desired uh, action, what you want, which users can take. So this is the basic, the best practice which you should apply for any site, right? Now this is there is one more important thing. There is one more important thing uh, in your website. If your website is good enough, the page speed is matter. Your website, if your website is responsive, means your website design should be responsive, so that if user will open your site, what is the response, mobile responsiveness? What is the mobile responsiveness? Anybody? Anybody can answer me? Yeah, Nikhil, Gunjan, Sumit, if you know what is the responsive mobile devices, let me know. Okay, I'm letting you, I'm explaining this. So the responsive mobile, the mobile responsiveness is something that whenever user will open any device, whether it is opening in a desktop, laptop, iPad, mobile phones, then your website structure should adjust as per the device layout, right? It should be adjustable. The layout should be adjustable. It should not like your website is not fitting into the any devices. So this factor is one of the most important factor for your website rankings, for your SEO success, for your website improvement, right? If you will see any website, I am showing just example in of the Mozilla. It is not responding yet. Okay, yes, it is refreshing. So there is one short command if you want to check any website whether it is responsive or not. I'm taking the example of Amazon.com. Everybody open the Amazon.com in their laptops or phones, because in the phone, if you will see, definitely your website will be adjustable, right? So you can easily find out the website is easily adjustable in mobile phones or not. So you will have the idea. But I'm open, like I'm online from the laptop. So if everybody is in their desktop or laptop, then easily check from this command. I'm writing down. This command can be applicable is only control plus shift plus N. This command is basically to check the responsiveness of your website. So in Mozilla, you can check into this is in Mozilla Control Shift N. So I have put this command. Now you can see. Now you can see easily this website is adjustable. Somewhere it is not, but you can increase the dimensions of the same as per if you want to check it in iPad or iPod, anything. the different layouts, different screens, different types of the screens, then you can check the responsiveness thing. It is also play a very important role for your ranking and for your SEO success. So previously what was happening, Google like updated one update, if you a mobile friendly update, the name was something the mobile friendly update. So who whichever the website were not the mobile friendly, every website penalized from the Google. Means if penalized word is like if Google introduced any update, if your website is not following that update, means Google will drop your website from the search results. Means if your website is started to rank in Google's first page, then your website is not following the Google's guideline. That means Google will start to follow your website from the search engine. So this is called the penalized website. And if you want to there are some ways, there are some certain ways, if you want to recover your website from the penalized from the penalized thing, then you have to follow the guidelines. Means you have to like make your website mobile friendly, and after that Google will again crawl or index your website, and if Google will find your website mobile friendly, then you will started to recover your rankings, right? So there are too many updates Google launched, and we have to be updated, right? So this is called the responsive web design. And the best practice is you should aware from the what you want to sell and what you want to do. What you want to sell has to be above the fold. I have already explained, like in the very first fold of your website, you have to mention the content part. Means you have to show like what is your value proposition, what is website is all about, what are the services your website is providing. Means you have to mention all the things above the fold, right? Have proper call to action. You can see in the job site, in the given screenshot, they have mentioned apply now in the very different color, right? They haven't written in the black font, right? Black font or black color, the same font and the black color. They have written with the very different color, so that if user will see where I need to take the action, he or she can easily take the action. He or she can easily apply from this button, right? Similarly, from activate now, advertise now, right? So these are the call to actions, and you have to include in your websites to make your website more healthy. Have proper call to action. Now, have simple navigation. Your navigation should not be confusing, right? Means whatever services you are providing, you should mention in the best practices you can mention in the menu section as well, right? I do agree, like some of the sites are having you can see the navigation of big websites, e-commerce website. See the Flipkart, they are having many products in their sites, and they have applied, they have taken the category. Means they haven't tried to include everything into the main menu. They have the proper men section. For men section they have these things, for women section they have the similar things, but the products are different, right? Beauty and grooming, accessories, jewelry, and ethnic wear, right? And similarly they have one section separate, home and furniture. If somebody wants to take a purchase any product, then easily they can find out with the help of the categories. They have mentioned the kitchen and dining, furniture. So you are understanding, they haven't like mismatched the main categories. All the furniture are into the furniture categories, and all the kitchen related products are into the kitchen and dining category, and home decor are in home decor. Lighting is different. Yeah, they have highlighted it, they have highlighted this. So similarly, the example which I am giving you for the very big website means if you are having more than 1,000 of the products, more than 2,000, 3,000 of the products, then how you are going to mention every project in your website? Means you have to create the category. You have to create the category for each product, and in the category you can mention the different products. This is how you can manage the bigger website. And similarly, I have taken the example of the very short site. These are having the very less services, only 4 services they are having. So they can mention all the services here only, and they can after repeat their services here only, there only, right? So this is the example of the website which are having 5 to 10 pages only. But the Flipkart is where you are having more than 1,000, 2,000 pages for the different categories, because they have made their menus in different ways. For the security reasons, they have taken the track order, 24 into customer care. They have their app, then you can also download the app from a website as well, and sale on Flipkart. So they have created their website in a way that everybody can feel can take the easy action. Similarly, they have made their footer section free and easy return. To just satisfy their clients, they have taken this button, free and easy returns. So this is like have simple navigation. Multiple forms of content. It is something you it is better way to include your content in different segments. When the site is different from computer when it is opened on mobile, when the site is different from Sumit, whatever the site you have which is opening in desktop laptop, it will definitely open in mobile, right? But maybe that website would not be mobile friendly, means that will not adjust in the mobile, but it will open, right? Until and unless you haven't put any you haven't put any security or some guidelines into that, but every website will open into the mobile devices, right? So best practices are multiple forms of content, means you have created the segments of each content. This section is goes for the blog section, means you have created the categories, the most popular categories, and you have taken the each categories you are showing in the form of the segments. So this is the healthy way to represent your content in the forms of in the multiple forms, right? So okay, include the social media badges. I have already spoken, you need to include the social media badges as well in your website. This will add the value to your site. If somebody wants to check the presence, if somebody want to check the presence, what is going on into the social media, then he or she can easily check the presence, right? I'm checking if they have how they have mentioned their social media. They have mentioned here. So what are the offers they are running? Usually the social media is thing like it is, I have already told you, it is a very trendy topic, the social media. If you have any recent update and if you have any offers, because e-commerce sites are taking huge advantage of the social media, just they are running their contest and they are engaging the audience to making their followers customers, and they are making their relationship with the new customers, and also they are making the healthy relationship with the existing customers just to giving the updates. Means updates could be anything. You can easy exchange offer, you can have the new deals, new offers for the home and decor and the furniture products, for the kitchen products, and for the if you want to shop any tops, jeans, then you have such kind of the offers. So such kind of the things, they are taking advantage of the social media, right? If some user, if any user is very much happy with the with their products, then he or she is sharing the response over the social media, right? And you can see they are, why the site is different from computer when it is opened on mobile. Some sites this is Sumit, some sites is we have created some sites and which are opening in a desktop. The same version will open to the mobile, but there are two techniques. If you want to segregate, if you want to categorize the site which will open to the desktop, that would be different, and the mobile version would be different. So this could also be happen, right? This could also be happen, but it is a very costly process, because you are paying different money, you are paying uh, much money to make the different versions of for your mobile sites, right? For the mobiles. So this could also be possible, but the better practice is that if you do not want to spend so much money, then you can, the same version which is opening to the desktop laptop, the same version will be open to to your mobile devices. So it is the cheapest way. You can do the responsive thing just to make your website mobile friendly. I hope you got your answer. Okay. So best practices is include social media pages. Yes. Blog section is also done. I guess blog section I have already shown you, you need to include the blog section. So I think this activity I am skipping. I am going to the next level. Domain name, right? Now I just want to let you know what kind of the domains you should prefer, how you can shop for the domain, right? And what are the techniques you should apply while purchasing the domains, right? uh, Before that I want everyone, आप में से किसी ने भी domain पहले purchase किया है? And if you did this, then from which tool you have shop for the domain? Let me know. Gunjan said yes, she did this. Nikhil is also said yes. GoDaddy, Big Rock, yes. These are the tools from where we can shop the domains. GoDaddy. Who is not done? Who is not done? जिसने नहीं किया है वो भी बताए. I didn't. Sumit said I didn't. Okay, not done. Okay. So majority is not done yet. So I'm explaining in very detail. Gunjan, you can also involve, so that I know you have done it, but you can check if you will find some new topics in this. Okay, this could be helpful for you. So I'm opening GoDaddy. It is very much popular, and you can, and there are too many offers as well. You can find the coupons code and they are running the discounts as well, so you can also just search the coupons to avail the discounts, right? Yesterday I was also purchased one domain, so I have checked the discount in the Google, in the coupons code, GoDaddy coupons code. So they were giving the 30% discount. Even they are offering, if you will take the hosting from GoDaddy, then domain will be free of cost. So such kind of the offers they are running. Even Big Rock and HostGator are running their offers, but this is the competition. मतलब मैं आपको ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि ब्रांड वैल्यू बनाने के लिए, लोगों से अपना रिलेशनशिप हेल्दी रखने के लिए, अपनी सेल को इंक्रीज करने के लिए, एंड जो लॉयलिटी बिल्डिंग जो इन्होंने की है उसको जस्ट बनाने के लिए, ये these brands do this such kind of the activities. Means they are following the latest trends. Why I am just emphasizing again and again? what is going into the market, why they are running the contest campaigns, why they are running the offers. Somebody asked me yesterday, like, if Amul is a brand, then why this brand is investing so much money, what is the need of the digital marketing? So see, जो optimization process है, it is a continuous process, right? We should not stop after doing once. So similarly, GoDaddy is a very big account. Means इसके इतने सारे customers हैं, still they are running the offers just to increase the sales, right? Just to make the followers. So now we will start. We will start with the GoDaddy, right? If you haven't your account, you can create your account if you want to purchase the domain. Not now, later on, but I will give you the tips how you can purchase the domain. So like anybody will suggest, let me know. Here is a like we can do 1 or 2 minute session with you, all of you. Like if anybody is planning for the domain, if anybody is want to start their businesses from after this session, after you will complete this digital marketing session, if anybody will plan to start their business as a freelancer or as a owner, then if you have planned, then let me know what kind of the business you want to run and what domain you are thinking we need to purchase that domain. One by one, please, like write down very quickly. Very quickly. Sorry for interrupt. Can I upgrade my website to WordPress? Nikhil, your website currently made with this platform, means made with this with which technology? Let me know. PHP. So if your website is in PHP, then it would be very easy to upgrade your website in WordPress. This developer can suggest you. Maybe if your website is in ASP.NET, and then if you want to change your website in WordPress, then you have to completely redesign that. But in PHP, WordPress is a CMS, right? So definitely it will not cost you that much high. So you can ask your developer, this could be done, right? No problem. You don't need to be sorry. You can ask the question at any time. I'm here for you, all of you, right? So anybody, I asked you one question, like if you have planned something to purchase your domain and you just want to like ask me if this domain is available or not, please write down very quickly so that I can help you. Like let's suppose I want to start my website dizzysoft.com, right? See, this domain is already taken, and here what I have done, all extensions, and I need only .com, because .com is the domain. If I will purchase the top level .com domain, that mean it will be globally, means I can optimize my services globally, right? So it is a top level domain .com, .in, .edu, .org, right? Org is basically used in government sites. Edu is also used in government sites. So first preferable thing is like you should go for the .com domain, not the if you want to your business to be local, right? Then you can go for the .co.in, .co.uk, .com.au for Australian. If you want to like a multilingual website, then if you want to promote your business in different languages, in Germany, in Netherlands, you can go with the different Spanish, you can go for the different domains. But it is a good practice that you can Chandrakant asked one question. I'm thinking about taking franchisee of Ayurvedic medicine, so I need to promote those on internet. How could I? You have taken. You have any online presence, Chandrakant? If you want to include your if because if you are going to purchase your medicines, definitely you will require a e-commerce portal, and to manage a e-commerce portal is very costly, right? So I would suggest you can tie up with the marketplaces which are dealing with the medicines and all. So you can ask and tie up, and you will get the commissions and sale from that directly, right? And you need to pay whatever the tie up amount, and you can once your business will be popular, so everybody will purchase from their marketplaces, because this is something, the if anybody will come to purchase the ayurvedic medicine, then he or she have to like go to the checkout page, means shopping cart page, right? So to manage such kind of the activities, you will require an e-commerce portal. So it is better, I would suggest you, so you can tie up with the marketplaces. Okay, so I'm here, I would suggest you, like if you are going to take the domain, so start with the .com, because you can target this domain everywhere, right? If you want disease soft tech, I am checking the variations if it is available. Disease soft dot, no, it is not available. dsuntech.com, let me check if it is. Oh, it is also occupied. Let me mention decent tech, decent soft tech.com. Is it available? Yes, it is available, right? So whenever you are like looking for a domain, see, you need to understand what kind of the domain you need to search for, right? First of all, you need to decide the domain would be global or the local, right? If you are going to promote your services globally, then would be better globally or locally, then you can do with the help of .com, the top level domain, right? And if you want local services, then you can also choose the local domains, right? So the best practice is like, there are some guidelines once you will check with the domains, right? So you everybody is very much aware from the snapdeal.com. See, in the Snapdeal, I'll show you, they have a very short domain name, Snapdeal, and they are covering one keyword in it, the deal. The whole domain is not only based for the keywords, they have taken a deal in this, right? Snapdeal, right? And there are too many domains. Sarotrends is one of the best example. Saro is the company name, and trans is like transportation. So they have taken a domain name is very healthy, right? They haven't included Saro Trans shipping services, या फिर हम लेते shipping services online, right? ये domain will not be healthy for you, for anyone, right? क्योंकि we have included every keywords in it. There were from the Google end. Again, I am letting you know, from the Google end there were one update is like a EMD. The name of that update was the exact match domain update. So whoever taken the domains exact for your keywords, I have given you the example, like shipping services Nigeria, logistic company in Nigeria.com. They have taken such kind of the domains, all domains penalized from the Google end, because Google introduced your domain should be short, precise, informative, and you should not include the keywords, all the keywords in the domain. Though your domain should be relevant with your services. Saro Trans is like transportation services is here, but Saro is the company name, right? Similarly, in the Snapdeal, you are seeing Snap is the company name, and you are getting the deals from it. So this domain is very much good. Everyone is understood, like what kind of the domain you need to select, everybody? Hostgator, if somebody is created the HostGator, means they have taken the host word, means you are going to hosting something here, right? GoDaddy is a very good example. They have taken a very good domain name, GoDaddy, right? That's why they have started this business to giving the domains to all of you, right? So this is the example, decentsoftech.com. I'm just giving you the example. So I just want to purchase this domain. I will add to cart it. Okay. And GoDaddy is a platform which also provide you the web hosting. Means once you will purchase the domain, you will require the space to host your website. So GoDaddy is providing the hosting services too. So I would suggest you, whenever you are going to purchase a domain name, then go for the hosting, because it would be great if you have taken all the things from the one place, right? So added, I am going to continue to cart, right? I'm skipping this part. No thanks, no thanks. Website builder. If you want more protection, more security things, if you want to hide your information in who is, like you can see the view details, hides your personal information like name, email addresses, phone number in the whois directory. Whois directory is something wherein you can check the domain information, when your domain is updated, when it will be expired, and who have taken this domain. So every kind of the information, it is updated in whois directory. Who haven't purchased, who haven't taken the privacy protection, it is completely depend upon you. If you want to hide your personal detail, it means you can uh, you can purchase, you can pay the $99 per year for the same thing, right? So if you do not want this, then you can continue as a no thanks, right? I will also show you. Similarly, here is giving the if you can also create the email ID as of now, but do not require this. Whenever you will take the hosting, you will get the space to and you can create the few number of the email IDs. So skip as of now and continue with the cart, right? Let's see what is happening now. So the total amount you need to pay is for 8,000 hosting with the packages. I think I have clicked on the hosting. That's why it is giving the whole amount, right? You need to pay 10,000. And I have taken this hosting and domain plan for the 24 months. Similarly, you can see 12 months, 6 months, 120 months. You can exceed the time limit, and once you will increase your months, your amount will be increased, right? You will get some certain amount of benefits if you will take the longer period of hosting and domain. Then it would be great, because if you will purchase the hosting, if you will purchase the domain for 1 month, and after 1 month you have to renew it. Similarly, after 3 months, and you will have the pain while thinking, oh, my domain is going to be shut down, right? So similarly, it is a better practice that purchase the domain for the longer period, means at least 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, right? So that you should not be worried about it all. If your domain is domain. Yes, Nikhil is asked, if I host my website in India but my clients in USA, then it will affect in my business. Please suggest me. And Nikhil, you asked a very good question. See, if you want to host your, if your clients is in USA, so it would be better that you can take the hosting of the USA, because this is somewhat from the 200 or 300 ranking factors. It is one of them, right? So it will consider in SEO success or website ranking. It could be the factor. So it would be great if you take the hosting of the USA, but it will not affect you that much. But it, as a good practice, you can take the hosting of the USA from where you are going to target the audience. So it will add a authenticity in your domain. Nice, thank you. Okay. The second thing is like I told you, like if you want to take the domain, then purchase the domain for the longer period, because you will not headache of the renewal. And your domain, if you want to like find out the websites, the good websites, then you will definitely check the how old the domain is, right? Whenever you are going to apply a job, I'm taking the example, whenever you are going to apply for the job, and you will definitely check how old this company. If this company is started in 2016 or 15, oh, I will not go in this company, right? So whether that company is situated from the 2001 or 2005, but they have shared the information online in 2016 only. But this could be the one factor if user is affecting from this. Similarly, we are going to attract the and influence the number of the audience and users who are into the online. It is Krati is asked, is it necessary to purchase from any site? What, Kriti? Please complete your question. You are talking for the domain. See, no, it is not. It is not compulsory that you need to purchase from GoDaddy only. You have Big Rock, other domains as well. But because GoDaddy is a very authentic site, right? And it is giving the offers, and it would be a good practice if you can take the domain and hosting from the one place, so that you can easily manage both the things here. It's not necessary, but it's up to you. But I am giving you the best example, the easy example. That's why. So domain is the one thing that matters in your ranking. So domain name is done. Second level, top level domain, third level domain, it is done. If you have like a .com.au, it is not a top level domain. It is the because .com is the top level domain. If you have if you have went up with the .com.au, so it is the second level domain, right? So by domain name, I have already explained you how you can buy the domain name. And web hosting is something when you purchase the domain. Can I just book my domain name and create website after some years? Sumit asked a question. Is it necessary? Okay. Sumit, definitely. Yesterday I booked my domain, but I will take the hosting later on, right? I'll show you what domain I have booked here. I'll show you in my account. You can see manage my domains. See here. I have booked the domain dankentag.com, and even I have taken the dankentag.in. Why I have taken the dankentag.in? Because if we will optimize, it is a good practice. I will take the example of the Microsoft, a big brand. ठीक है, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने माइक्रोसॉफ्ट डोमेन तो बुक किया ही किया है, उसके बाद में अगर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में अगर कोई स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक होते हैं, जो टाइपो एरर्स वाले जो जितने डोमेन होते हैं वो सारे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने ले रखे हैं, सो दैट अगर यूजर कोई मिस स्पेल करते हैं ब्रांड में, दे विल redirected to the exact website, right? So it is a good practice. If you are taking any domain, you can like take the .com, .in, .co, .in every domain, so that later on if your domain is much popular, means nobody can purchase that domain. Brands generally do this because for us maybe it could be costly, but for the long run it is a better practice that you are taking the domains for the different top levels or second level or third level domains. It is a good practice, right? If you will check the microblogging, microblog, Microsoft, micro tech, all the domains will redirect you to the Microsoft, right? So these techniques is following by the brands, right? And if you will check the FOPs, if somebody will misspelled, then definitely it will redirect it to the wrong URL will redirect it to the FOPs URL, right? Understood? Agreed, everybody? Okay, Nikhil said yes. Great, great. So web hosting, I have explained you. You need a space. Once you will live your domain, so you need the space, and you can go for the web hosters to host your website, right? Similarly, adding domain to hosting account. This is something when you will purchase the hosting account, then you have to add your domain into the hosting accounts, right? And changing the name server, you have to change the name server, you have to point the server with the domain you have purchased. So this could be done with the help of the I have taken the example of the HostGator. So that will do. This is called as a domain name server, the changing your name. So similarly, once you have done with the hosting and once you have purchased your domain, the first step you have you have done with the domain, you have done with the hosting, means you are ready with your website, but you need the landing pages. You need the everything in your website. At that time, you can configure the WordPress to your uh, web hosting server, right? You can create the account into the WordPress, and then you can like configure the WordPress to your uh, hosting, right? And then you can you can install the themes. There are too many options in the paid account of the WordPress. You can include in the free accounts, we have the too many themes. Then you can also uh, like change the themes, upload the themes, whatever themes you will like, you can make. And there are too many configurations. Let's suppose you want the in the WordPress site, I will give you the example, one or two examples here. I skipped Whoisinfo because the domain part we have just completed, and this thing I have in my mind that I need to explain you. If you want to check the domain age, and whoever registered the domain, then you can check this with the you can write down the tool name. Yes, I'm giving you this into the chat section, so everybody can note down or save this tool. This will definitely help you in SEO while you will do the SEO, while you will select the websites for the backlinks creation. This tool will help you where there, right? So Whoisinfo, I'm taking the example of the any website. Okay, I'm writing the Forbes.com. I just want to check the details. Validation required. Sometimes we have to validate ourselves. In also Google, we have to validate ourselves. We are not robot, right? So here you can see there are some domains name, email IDs, right? This is the registrant organization who have registered. This is the registrar, right? This is the registrar status, client delete prohibited, right? This is the dates, and it is like this domain is created on this in 1993. You can assume, you can think how old this domain, right? How this domain generates so much value because it is in the business, it is in the online since 1993, right? And this domain will expire in 2022. So they have like purchased this domain for a longer period, not the short period, right? This will also add a value because if your domain is about to expire, Google will also not provide you that much priority to your domain, because Google will think, oh, you are not updating your domain, you are not renewing your domain. That means you do not want to optimize your business. You do not want to keep your businesses online. So Google will started to stop giving the priority such domains to such domains, right? And it is frequently updated. In 2030 it was updated. So created, expires, and updated. These things you can name server is this, right? IP addresses you can check. And what is the IP location? It is in Washington, right? It is in Washington. So domain status, everything, IP addresses, register history, everything you can see, you can check. SU score. SU score is 80%. Such kind of the scores you can also check for any website from whois.domaintools.com. This tool is very authentic and giving the relevant and very right exact information to everyone. Got it? So this tool is you were familiar, or you just got to know about this tool right now? Let me know. पहले से आप इसे जानते थे या फिर अभी आपको पता चला है इसके बारे में? Yes, Kunjan. Yes, I already know. Okay. Not aware, Chandrakant. I think now you are aware from this tool. Got it now. Good, good. Great, great. So this is all about the, because once you will optimize your website in detail, means thoroughly, if you will go, if you will optimize your site, means this small factors you need to keep in your mind, right? When I will explain you the backlink process, means once your website is done with the on page, once your SEO done, once your SEO done in your website, then you will go to the backlink process, right? Then in the backlink process, this thing is matter. The first thing is matter, how old is your domain? What is the domain authority? What is the domain authority of your the domain which you have chosen to create the backlink? Domain authority and page authority is gives by the Google, numbers from 1 to 100, right? Let's suppose your domain authority is 7585, means that domain is good to create the backlinks. I explained a little bit here, but in detail I will explain later on, Nikhil. Definitely, because I will not skip anything in this session, right? So I am just creating your base like strong here, so that in the next upcoming sessions you would be able to find yourself strong enough to proceed, right? So this is the plugin. I told you like there are too many plugins for SEO. For SEO thing, like once your website, once you will configure your WordPress in hosting site, then you have to like configure the plugins, because in WordPress you cannot see the meta tags. Meta tags, you know the meta tags. Now go to the control U. Go to the control U. And you can see, you can put the command control F, you can find the title, means this is title tag, it comes into the meta tag, right? Similarly, you want to check the description tag. I think Description should be also here. Similarly, if you want to check the keywords in it, then you can also check the keywords. And if you want to check the heading tag in this, then headings are also here. See the heading tag. And if you want to check the alt text, then you can also check the alt text. This is basically for the image name. You are providing the name to your image. So in the backends, you can check such type of the tags, and these tags will be available once you will configure the plugin to your WordPress. Got it? What code is it in? What see, Sumit, we are just talking about the configuration process, wherein the title, description and the keyword tag will be visible once you will configure the essential plugin into your WordPress. Then and only you will be able to upload the title, description and keywords tag. There is no code, there is no code. That's why WordPress is so much easy. You don't need to take so much pain, because it is not the platform like .NET is also easy, but the Java, the different .NET MVC, this is not that much platform, right? We are having a very easy CMS, the WordPress, which anyone can update or manage easily. So there is a plugin. You don't need to add manually all the things by the coding. You just need to uh, upload the plugin into it. Without WordPress, we can't put the meta tags and keyword. No, it is like your domain is ready, your hosting is ready, but you haven't you like if I will search, no, I'm not going to search because I haven't taken the hosting yet. So if you have taken any domain and that is hosted, but your website is nothing, because you are not having the any landing page in it. So you have to configure, you have to create a CMS means you will create your website landing pages in WordPress, and in WordPress you need to include the essential plugins to install the meta tags, right? Similarly, you have the plugins to secure your website, means antivirus plugins. Lot of plugins you will have in WordPress, so you need to configure to the WordPress, right? So simple all-in-one webmaster option. Yes, webmaster is coming as of now. So webmaster is a Google tool, right? Wherein if how Google will crawl your website, right? How Google will check the whatever changes you have done in your website. So webmaster is the such place wherein Google can find out what is happening to your site. Means you can upload the sitemap, robots. You can like design your results through the data highlighter, which is in webmaster, right? You can check your website is secured or not, means your website is secured from the antiviruses or not. You can check through this webmaster tool. Also, if you want to check your meta tags are duplicated or not from the other landing pages in your website, if you are having the 1,000-page website, then if you want to check which landing pages is having the duplicate meta tags, then this you can check from the webmaster tool, right? And similarly, if you want to check the backlinks status, in the backlinks status is like how many quality backlinks you are getting to your website. This you can also check from the webmaster tool. And so every website is recommended to have the webmaster tool, Google Analytic tool, and from such factors, apart from such factors, you can also check the queries. It's like from which keywords users are searching your website, right? From which keywords you are getting the impressions. Impressions is a term we will discuss later on, but as of now, impressions is like how many people are seeing your result. It is like if I have opened These results, I'm going to Google it. Google. It is taking so much time right as of now. Okay. So if I hover this link, one impression is counted, right? This is impression. So like somebody put the query to the Google and my website is coming, and people didn't click to my website, but they have seen the website, means one impression is counted. So this thing you can notice to the Google Webmaster tool. And if you have the website, because a lot of people here mentioned their website in the beginning, so they are having the Google Analytics or Webmaster account, please confirm to me. Gunjan, you had the website. I think Nikhil also, Sumit also. So Gunjan is having the Webmaster account. Okay, great. Can you suggest me the best developer in Delhi, Noida, cheaper and talented? Nikhil, what do you want? You want to enhance your website, or you want some changes in your website? Yes, enhance. Okay, later on, you can take my contact details. So separately, I will suggest you. Okay. So okay, I asked you the questions. Some people shared the domain name, so they are having the Webmaster and Analytic account. Okay, great. Gunjan, I think you are very much aware from the these things. Like Gunjan, what you have done, because I think in the first session you haven't introduced yourself. So you are from the digital marketing background, or you have done this course? I just want to know. Please write. Yes, I am working as a data analyst. Great. Where are you working, Gunjan? In digital marketing agency in Noida itself, or from outside the Noida? Gurgaon, you are in Gurgaon. Great. As a data analyst, you work. So maybe you are having the some information. Okay, this is a great time to learn the digital marketing as well, the basic concept. See, in the Webmaster, I have verbally explained you what things you can check to the Webmaster. I am just exciting you about the Webmaster. So when we will do the Webmaster in detail, when we will set up the account in Webmaster, then you will get to know what are the things actually you can do the Webmaster, and how Webmaster is very much important for the Google. Okay. The next thing is easy privacy policy. This should be, I have already told you, in WordPress there are some plugins for the privacy policy, and you can easily configure, install that privacy policy thing to your website, right? Google XML setup. XML is something that will help Google to crawl your website time to time, frequently. Basically, Google crawled your website within the period of 1, 2, 3 day, 4 day, after 1 week, 2 weeks, whenever, until unless you have something in your website. So Google will come after some time of duration. So sitemap will help Google to crawl the website, because Google do not understand the English language; it understand the coding language. So that's why sitemap is very much important. Crawl. Sumit is asking the word crawl. Definitely, I will explain this thing in the SU session. But crawler is something like Google crawler name is Googlebot, right? So every crawlers are also we can also name as a spiders, robots, crawlers, bot, right? These are the different names, but Google crawler name is Googlebot, means crawler helps Google to cache or index your website in Google, right? In search engines, right? How Google will get to know you have updated your content? How Google will give the refreshed results? How Google will give the fresh results to the audience? Firstly, Google have to judge whatever update you have done in your websites. So just to make aware the Google that this thing I have updated one landing pages, I have changed my content, I have added new images in my websites, then To update the Google, we have to update the sitemap in it. Then Google crawler will come and it will crawl your site and it will update the latest site to the Google, right? So this is happening with the Google sitemap. This you can also do with the WordPress. I will give the practical example of this. Same the Google Analytics. So here I'm going to create a account in wordpress.com. Everybody, you can open the I'm going to create the account in wordpress.com, or something is happening. I think it is hanging too much. Yes. You have to open with the wordpress.com, right? And after that, you need to, okay, I'm starting from the beginning because some people are very new here. So I need to explain each the things in very beginning. So like I'm starting from the wordpress.com. Okay. Everybody, you can also do the practical right now so that later on it will helpful to all of you, that how we will integrate the Google Analytics with this created blog, right? And how we will integrate the Google Webmaster as well. So everybody, I just want everyone, please open the wordpress.com and start with here. Click on to the get right. You need to go for the sign up, and you are going to start this as a start with a blog. Okay. And I have chosen the theme, like which theme I'm liking. I can, okay, I'm taking this theme. I have an account on WordPress, also made a blog, but I don't know how to make it popular. See, this promotional technique, Kriti, I will let you know in detail what is required, what the SEO is required, SMO is required, and what the activities is basically required to make the popular your blog. Because ultimately, the thing is needed, which is the techniques, right? I told you in the beginning, if you have created your blog, if you are updating your blog frequently, means you are posting something in your blog. No, you are not posting. Then how Google will see anything updated in your blog? Means Google is not going to your blog. If Google is not indexing any latest results into the search engines, then no one will see your blog. This is how, means what Google wants. Google wants the content. We have to feed the content to Google every time. Content is the king, right? So we have to update Google on regular basis with the help of the some kind of the post, and whatever you want to like aware. If your blog is for the health tips, then you can post 2 3 posting on weekly basis. So this you can do, and after some time you can see that people are coming to your WordPress, right? WordPress blog, people are coming and people are reading your blog, and people are staying your post for a long time. Means they are reading the complete detail, they are finding the information very well, they are relating themselves with your blog post content, and then and only they are taking the action, right? Whatever you want, they are sharing their email IDs, and they are commenting on your blog. Oh, this post makes me feeling happy, I'm finding this very useful, I will apply these techniques, I will apply this approach. So they will comment something like this. So this is the technique. If you have created your blog, I already told you guys in the very first session, marketing is something which is a ongoing process. It is not that you do once and you will get, you would be able to take the advantage. No, you will not. It is an ongoing process. You have to apply the same technique till the time you want to continue your business. So this is something. Got it, Kriti? I hope you understood. Great. So similarly, I have chosen. Oh, thank you so much, Kriti. Thank you. So I have chosen in the WordPress Decent Soft. This would be my name. So I am taking the free. I am choosing. It is available. It is available. Decent Soft is available. So I am selecting it, right? And see, there are some plans for the personal blog. I have to pay $2.99 for premium and for business. And here we will get the custom domain name, Jetpack essential features. You can see the categories, and we will get the this much of the space, storage space, and emails and live support chat option we can get in every plan, right? Here we can monetize our website. So we are not going to picking any paid plan here. We are going for the free plan. This is essential. So I'm writing. I have the different email ID. I'm taking it because from the my email ID, the account is already created. Yes, it is created. Awesome. Thanks. We have to continue, and thanks. We are ready to get started. So this is how you are going to start your. Alok said free plan is not showing. Why? In the very first section you will see the free plan, because I have created this blog by taking the free plan. You can try with the different email IDs, different email ID, or if you are not seeing, you can refresh the WordPress account as well, right? Let me know if it is not done. Okay. So here, what I can do, this is my page because I have chosen this theme, right? So this thing is coming, right? This post, customizer, test widget, about, contact, right? I'm going to the my site. Here are, we can add the blog test themes. We can also customize. We can add the menus in it. We have a lot of option, right? We have the plugins in the free accounts. We have the plugins. So in the like, let me check what we can do. We are going to edit this. We are going to make this plan. D. I'm taking the complete name. Digital. Digital soft digital software company. Okay, I have put this name. I'm removing it. Okay, everybody is noticing, right? Here in the very right hand side, what I'm going to do, status is fine, categorize. I want to take in this category. It currently it is uncategorized, so it should have some category. I have added the software category because this blog is for the software. So I have added the software category. Or you can put the add new category, then you can put the software in it, right? Top level, yes, we are going to add into the top level. Okay, this is done. Now you can see this blog, it is very important. Like in the digital marketing, you have to aware people like for which category you are taking this blog, right? You have to mention it very carefully, like in which category, because if we have taken the software, means our posting should be relevant only the softwares. We cannot now give the health tips. It is something relevancy. I told you this is one of the most important factor in Google's SEO ranking, the relevancy. Whatever the categories if we have taken, so that only content should be only for that category, right? If I will search the blocks for commenting purpose in backlinks process to create the backlinks, the block commenting is one of the activity. So definitely if I will see the this popular blog, the digital software company type of blog, if I will see, then I will relate myself with the posting, and all posting should be done only for the softwares, right? So category is done. Post format sharing, this is the now we are okay, I am writing simple here, welcome, right? Now we are updating, see how it is updating. Post is updated. Go to the my site, see title. Here we can see, here we can also put the image. Currently it is showing, right? We can also change this text test widget and review about it. Please do and see Kriti Agarwal. Okay, Kriti shared a blog with me, with everyone. I guess if everyone can see that blog, I'm opening it currently. It is feminism, self-respect. The great topic you have taken, Kriti. I appreciate you. So it is really dusky prostitution, bestie. Oh my God, it is really very good. I'm expecting all of you, like you should take such kind of the topics, and because such kind of the blogs can be very much popular, right? Because you have taken a very sensitive topic which is happening in nowadays. Feminism is something like it is very trendy topic, right? So I think the layout I'm seeing, Kriti, it is not that much attractive, right? You should have the cover image in it, you should have the site categories in it, right? You should have the social icons in it if you can integrate with this, right? You need to change the theme of this blog. There are a lot of kya kehte hain, optimization tips I can give you, because the topic is fantastic, but now what is the thing, it is like you haven't represent this blog in a better manner, right? If I will see this self respect post, because it is something like if you have this blog in the posting you are seeing, if it could be managed, like you can put the image, a short image where the posting is visible. Suppose if my content is more unique in WordPress website, then Google will more priority than .com website. Please suggest me. suppose if my content is more unique in WordPress website, then Google will give the priority than .com website. See, you have the .com website for this? No, Nikhil. Nikhil, if okay, see, we have to keep the we have to keep the balance. Like the same content, if you have put in your blog, right? The same content you cannot put in your website in any landing pages. There would be duplicacy issue. This you have to understand, Nikhil, right? It is like when the blog is different thing, website is different thing. In website you are talking about your services, you are talking about your products, but in blog you are talking about the recent updates, what you have done, what is all about your product. Means you are awareing people, you are informing people. But it's not like the same post you have done in your blog section, the same post you have done in the landing page. Definitely, if you have taken a very unique content and the content is very much engaging and attractive, definitely Google will give you the priority. But it's not like you have taken the both content, the same content in both the pages, Google will spam your website, right? Is still not showing any free plan. Alok Srivastava. Okay, how to know about the copyrighted content? Sumit, Sumit is very curious to know each and everything in this session only. Sumit, definitely there are some tools. I have the tools because I am associated with an organization wherein I'm doing every practical assignments. Means I do not have like I do have the theoretical knowledge, but apart from that I have a very much practical knowledge because I am serving I have served more than 500 clients in it, and I am recently also working with the international clients and domestic clients. So I have like every tool information. Definitely I'll give you, but not now because this session is more about the domains and the website, the type of the website. So I will explain all the things in coming session, in SEO session. Okay, Sumit? Hope you understood this. So I have to make more attractive to make popular this blog. Yeah, Kriti, that's what I have told you. Like the topic you have chosen is very much good, but the thing is like you haven't mentioned your you haven't like made this blog is very attractive, right? Better you can like the first thing, change the layout, change the theme. Once you will change the theme, it will be attractive. The first thing is like you need to increase the content as well, right? And similarly, one more thing, you can also create a social page from the feminism. The same posting which you are doing in the WordPress, you need to share the URL into the social media platform too. I'm just giving you the guideline, but later on, this is not only for you, everybody. I can share the optimization tips. Like Kriti shared the URL and she is asking for the tips from me, then how she can promote the WordPress and how she can make this WordPress blog so much popular. So I'm giving the guidelines and you guys can also note down these guidelines. So in later on, in long run, you can also follow the same technique, right, Kriti? So ask your friends to commenting in this, because once you will once you will make this popular, definitely people will come. And when this image is showing in this side, you should like first the content should come, and after that image, it would be better if image will come in between of the content, or you can take the longer image, a very wider image, so it would be helpful, right? So change the first theme because I'm not liking the theme and it is not that much attractive, though the topic is very much latest, trendy and unique. So do all the required things in your blog. Got it? So what I have done, this is the posting I have done. Similarly, if I want to post anything, I want to post a blog, right? I will put want to know about the MVC framework. I am asking to the people, and some text. Some text could be anything. There would be some text, right? So I will check. This is uncategorized, showing uncategorized. We have to keep it in software category. And similarly, we can add one more category here, because this article, this blog would be for the this blog is going to be for the MVC. So we have to add the specific category, so that we can categorize it. This is for the MVC. So once all the categories will show in the right hand side, so people can segregate the data. This data is MVC, this data for .NET, this data for the Java, PHP, right? So tax, you should not include the that much tax, because this nowadays this it is considering as a spam. So do not create the tags, because once you will create the tag, the page will create it. So duplicacy issue will be happen once you will do this. So I am going to publish it, and once you are doing this, you should include the image in it, right? You can add the image in it. Okay. So publish it. I'm just giving you the example. Post published on site title. I need to see my post. Okay, this is my post. See, Krati, I think this thing is happening. You have just created your blog and you haven't done anything in that. So the blank page is coming, right? So you have to make the blog very attractive, so that you can engage people, right? So this is how it is going on. Means you have added the blog post, and if I need to check my blog post, so I have published 2 posts as of now, the digital software company, and want to know about the MVC framework, right? So similarly, you can keep updating the posting here, but there are a lot of things, and here you can see the stats and all, because it is enhanced. The WordPress is enhanced from the earlier. The plan is showing free, and somebody says he still didn't find the free plan. I think Alok, you still not find the free plan in the WordPress. Okay, Alok got it. There are one more section, there are one more site. It is a blogger.com. I'm giving to you the chat. Everybody, what I want, when everybody will back in coming weekend session, I want all of you must create your blogger account, right? And from everyone, I want the blogger account. The second thing, this is a short assignment for you. Assignment is like, create the account on blogger.com, and create the Gmail ID, right? And I will because once you will come up with the blogger.com, so I will let you know how to create the account in Google Webmaster, and how you will create the account in Google Analytics, right? In the coming session, I will explain these things all of you, so you all have the practical knowledge of creating the Webmaster and Analytic account, how you can integrate the Google Webmaster and Analytic to your blog, right? So this is just for the example. I have done it, like I have created the Google Webmaster, sorry, the WordPress account, and this is how we can change, post the images, and there are some themes we can make it customize. We can make how Kriti, you can notice here how we are going to customize the themes, because we have taken the very blank theme, right? Similarly, there are header images. From here you can add the header images, you can add the menus in it, content option, you can add the widgets, right? Color and background. So let's see the color and background of this, right? I'm going to make it, it is featured, I guess. It is featured means it is paid. It is paid, right? Don't go for this because we have chosen the free plan. So we are not getting the that much of the option. And header would be suggested header as like something. So we have taken the header. See now the header is coming. After the title, this header will come, right? And I'm save and publishing it, right? And after that, I'm going back and I'm going to colors and background. This background is coming. I will make it change with the different color. I will take the color, this color I'm going to take. See, Krati, you are noticing all the points. One question: does people make money from the WordPress blog? See, if you are the startup and you are going to start the business, you can collect the email IDs from the blog. Definitely, if you want people to fill the contact form, if you have any services, lot of the people who are not having the website, they just have the blog section and they are earning a lot of money in it. Later on, you can put the Google ads in your blog section, but for that purpose, you have to create the account in AdSense. There are some certain guidelines you have to follow that. Right, Kriti? Definitely you can make the money from the um, blogger accounts, right? But for this you have to learn a lot. So I'm just giving everyone, I'm just giving you the guidelines like how you can create a healthy blog, an attractive blog. See, I have changed everything here, right? So similarly, this is just a demo session, but in coming weekend session, I want all of you please come up with the blogger.com so that I will let you know the easy way, because here everything is in the free plan. There are the limited activities, but in blogger you have the multiple facility to link your account with the Google Analytics, Google Webmaster. So I will help you to create a short website. Means a short website, you will be ready with your website. So I will ask everyone who are present here, 8 attendees are here, so I will ask everyone, so do not skip the session anymore and come up on time with the creation of the blog section in blogger.com, right? Agreed everyone? Everyone agreed? You got the assignment? Yeah, please confirm me, accept. Yep. Okay, great. Sumit, yes. Okay, Krati is already having the WordPress, and I need Krati in the similar in the existing blog. You just need to enhance that, right? So I want to see the enhancements in your blog, and also I want to create the account in blogger.com, because I will let you know how you can integrate the Google Analytics in that, right? Okay, great. Gunjan, you also having, Gunjan is offline, I guess. Okay. I request everyone to attend the complete 3-hour session, because it is somewhat healthy and beneficial to all of you, because do not skip this, because you paid something for this session, and I request everyone to attend the 3-hour session, complete session, because I'm also doing a hard work with you, right? Okay, so we are finishing the slide. The default post, you need to delete it, you need to remove the hello world, and I have posted some post with the WordPress, right? Adding the website to the Google Analytics, this we will done definitely, right? Activity, we have completed the activity, and webmaster, I have recommended you how we need to create the webmaster. So in the coming session we will create the account in it, right? We will add the sitemaps in it, and I have told you you need to create the account in the blogger.com. Everybody, I have already assigned you the assignment to create the account into the blogger, so you have to come up with that solution. I will ask you to now you can very much create the web pages. Similarly, I have done in the WordPress. Similarly, you need to do with the blogger.com, right? Everybody can do this. So take at least half an hour time or 1 hour time, right? Spare at least 1 hour time. And because if you are going to start, if you are learning something, the better thing, you will do everything practically, right? Because theoretical knowledge is very much important, but practical matters, right? So everybody, I want all of you to experiment with the post, creation of post, adding images in the post, because this is not that much technical. Like 10th class student or 12th class student can definitely create the blog. They have their online blogs. If you will ask these students, they have their online blogs. Means everybody is handy with this. So it is not that much technically. Everything you can do with the SEO, right? This is the main advantage. You can also add the videos in it. You can add the text links in it. You can add the images in it, right? Adding widgets. So all of you, we have finished this session. We have completed all the things as of now. Now I want from everyone, if you have any queries, you can let me know. Yeah, everyone, please write down your queries in the chat window so that I can help you in this. Yeah, Nikhil, Sumit, Alok, Chandrakant, Kriti, you don't have any queries? Your recorded session will be available. Of course, this session will be available. Can we change the, no, domain name is something you purchased one. You cannot change. You have to buy the another different domain name. WhatsApp contact number, please. Where Sumit? Okay. Now you are asking the WhatsApp contact number. So my WhatsApp contact number is this. Deepika Chaudhary. If you want to email me your queries, you can also email me your queries. I am sharing my email ID with you. And if you want to call me, then you have to save this number. Okay? So I will be available for you guys to share your to clear your doubts. So I have, like, in the chat, I have mentioned everything. Alok, Sumit, did you check the chat window? Did you check the chat window? Alok, Sumit, let me know. Yes, thanks for today's session. Gunjan said. Gunjan, you left the session. So I have assigned the one assignment to create the blogger, so that in the coming session I will help you to create or integrate the Google Analytics and Webmaster account. Right? It is not available in cell phone. What is not available, Alok? Your WhatsApp number is off. Let me check. I'm so sorry if it is on. I was. I'm so sorry. Let me check. I'm giving you again. Right? I'm giving you again. Now please check. Chat window. What is it? What is not available? Chat window is not available. Everybody is seeing, I guess. Nikhil. Yes. You have note down my contact details. Okay. Great. Great. So you can contact me at any time. You can mail me. Even you can mail me your queries. I would help you from that only. And if you WhatsApp me anything, you can WhatsApp me. And if you want to call me, then you can call me. Right? So in coming sessions, in coming this digital marketing session, you are going to learn a lot of things, because we have completed 2 sessions, yesterday and today. So as of now, you are having the clear understanding of the marketing, digital marketing components, and what kind of the website should be, what kind of the domain should be, and how you can make your website popular. What are the necessary components you need to take in your website. So all things we have discussed as of now. In the coming session, we will discussing about the search engine optimization, the first and very prime components of the digital marketing. Sumit, I guess you need to check with the Make Intern for the recording sessions. They will provide the recordings if you want. You need to communicate with them, people, because all the recordings they have, right? So you can check the recordings with them only. They will mail you or something. Yes, Sumit. Hope it is okay. Okay, great, great. So in the coming session, we are going to optimize the SEO, right? How you in the coming session you are going to be expert of the SEO at my end, because in the 3 hours I will give you each and everything about the SEO. So everyone do not miss the session anyhow, right? Who are present today, I want everyone to be present in the coming session, because that session is going to be so fantastic and amazing, right? So yes, good, 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 great. Okay. Thank you, Alok. Thank you, all of you, to join this session, and hope I am like explained everything to all of you, and you understand the concept of the website and all, domain and all, right? Welcome, welcome, Nikhil. Thank you so much. So, any queries, Gunjan? Thank you so much, Chandrakant. Okay, good night, Chandrakant. Okay, so I am closing this session as of now. We will meet in coming sessions. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Good night, Smith. Bye bye. Bye bye. Take care, guys. Thank you so much.